MD, are you worshiping
Confession time,
your
guys.
wardrobe?
I have a confession to make. I have this bad habit of buying stuff that I don't wear. Like, I buy clothes, shoes that I barely wear. Like, what's the point of buying stuff if you know you're not gonna wear them? Right? I don't know. For the clothes, I don't want to go there at all. Like, I buy dresses. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna wear them when I'm fit. You know, when I'm I don't want to say the word, but yeah, I never lose weight. Instead of losing, I'm kind of like adding, but there's hope. But let's talk about the shoes, right? If you're out there and you have this bad habit I'm talking about, and you are there nodding your head, you know what I'm talking about. You know, like you have tons of clothes, shoes, jewelries, hair, and everything sitting in your closet, and you don't even like you barely wear them, and you're nodding your head. I want to see you in the comment section now. Like, come on into the comment section and tell me, MD, go and put on those clothes. You're not hearing me. Say, MD, go and wear those clothes, for goodness sake. Look, I bought this to Nike or whatever. So this is Air Force One. This shoe is new as hell. Like, I haven't worn it. Like, hold on. I bought this, like, both of them, I got them almost the same time. This is more expensive, right? And I've worn this one like 2 or 3 times now. But this one, and I got them last year. Like, last year. Are you sure I'm not doing idol worshiping stuff right now? Because why am I not wearing them? Why? I want to know why. It's crazy. Look. New as fuck. New as fuck. I just still comes with the wrap and everything. I like. You just in my closet doing nothing. Doing absolutely nothing. Occupying space. I'm still buying and I'm not wearing them. Like, come on now. My wardrobe is not a museum. It's not. Is it museum? I remember when I read English last time. Anyways, this is like, I don't know. I'm gonna wear this one today. Again. I'm supposed to wear this one, right? So I need you to go into the comment section and type MD the writer plus size. Oh, well, that name suits me right, but I won't give you guys a chance because you guys are gonna bully the hair out of me. So no, I won't do that. I love it. MD the writer plus size, because someone said that I will not join, but I let that joy shock you, Abby. It's okay. Just say MD, I command you. Like, I'm giving you the privilege to command me to go wear that Air Force One. I don't know what it be. Like, small children, these are they play football. They keep up for my life. What's the fuck? I'm giving you the authority. Command me now. Command, just tell me, MD, go and wear it right now. Like, be serious like hell. I want to see you in the comment section. I want to see you in the comment section.